So it's been about 2 or 3 months since I've been working in this particular shop, and that's long enough for me to realize that some of my initial plans for tool layout wasn't really working. So the first thing I did was move the table saw over to this side, and then it dawned on me that as I had the table saw over there, I would constantly pile clutter and just miscellaneous junk on the right side of my table saw. So I had a trash can over here with a piece of plywood over the top for a shelf, and having a dedicated shelf next to the table saw, that really seemed to help as far as keeping crap off the table saw and allowing me to instantly move the fence whenever I need to. So I just came out here today and it dawned on me, well, you might as well put a shelf on the wall. So this is just nothing more than a simple little plywood 3/4 inch shelf that I literally just threw together from design to hanging on the wall within the past half hour or so. And it is hopefully going to be a definite clutter catcher for the table saw. So nothing fancy this time, just a simple shelf that will hopefully keep as much junk off my table saw as possible. This is extremely simple, but I will have a PDF plan available on my website for those who are interested. If you found this project useful, go ahead and share it so others can do so as well. And if this is your first time here, I'd love to have you subscribe. I post a new woodworking video pretty much once a week whenever possible. For projects such as this, I do have free downloadable plans available on my website. And if you just can't get enough and you're into the vlogging type of videos, you should know that I have a second YouTube channel for pretty much basic vlogging and throughout the week updates kind of thing. So post those videos pretty much every Tuesday, and you should subscribe to that if you're into those type of videos as well. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a great day.